tonight. The first is called Havenu Shalom Alechem, which means we brought peace to you. You're invited to sing the song, and the words are going to be above me on the screen. The second song I'll sing is called Al Shlosha Devarim. They kind of just go together, so you'll just see how they flow together. And in this song, we're going to find the three things that help, that at which the world depends upon: the Word of God, service to God, and acts of love and kindness that we do for each other. But first things first, Havenu Shalom Alechem.
And you all know Hebrew now.
Oh yeah, we all know Hebrew, right? So just hang it on the screen.